Have you ever wondered what the future holds for us? Not just on Earth, but beyond the confines of our blue planet? Let's take a moment to ponder on this. Since time immemorial, humans have looked up to the vast expanse of the cosmos with a sense of wonder. The mystery of what lies beyond our world has sparked curiosity and ignited our collective imagination, propelling us into an age of space exploration. The journey began with the launch of Sputnik, the first artificial satellite by the Soviet Union in the late 1950s. This marked the beginning of a new chapter in human history, a chapter of unprecedented exploration and discovery. As we ventured into the great unknown, we encountered a realm of infinite possibilities, a realm that held the promise of new worlds and new civilizations. The moon landing in the late 1960s was a testament to human ingenuity and the power of collective effort. It was not just one small step for a man, but a giant leap for mankind. Fast forward to the present day, space exploration has evolved from being a race between superpowers to a collaborative effort. The baton has been passed from government-led programs to private space companies and international collaborations. These entities, driven by the spirit of exploration and the promise of untapped resources, are making space more accessible than ever before. Technological advancements have played a significant role in this shift. The development of reusable rockets, for instance, has reduced the cost of space travel, making it feasible for more entities to venture into space. Likewise, advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence have opened up new possibilities for exploration and research. But with every new frontier, there comes a new set of challenges. As we push the boundaries of what is possible, we must also grapple with the ethical, environmental, and societal implications of our actions. As we stand at the dawn of a new era, we find ourselves asking, where do we go from here? The answer to this question will not only shape the future of space exploration, but also the future of humanity itself. Mars, a crimson world that has long captured our collective imaginations, could soon become a reality. This enticing sphere of iron oxide has been the subject of countless works of fiction and the target of our scientific curiosity. But today, it's more than just a distant, dreamy sphere. It's the next frontier in our journey of space exploration. For years, space agencies and private corporations have been crafting meticulous plans and pouring resources into missions aimed at the red planet. These missions are not just about planting flags or leaving footprints. They're about understanding the mysteries of Mars, testing the limits of our technology, and paving the way for human settlement. But let's not sugarcoat it. Setting up shop on Mars is not going to be a walk in the park. The challenges are formidable. There's the thin atmosphere, harsh radiation, freezing temperatures, and the small matter of being millions of miles away from home. However, these challenges are not insurmountable. Technology and innovation are our allies in this audacious endeavor. From next-generation spacecraft to sustainable life support systems, human ingenuity is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We're developing ways to convert the Martian atmosphere into breathable air and the dusty soil into drinkable water. Even the idea of terraforming, transforming the entire Martian environment to make it Earth-like, is being considered. As we look to the future, it's important to remember that Mars is not an end in itself. It's a stepping stone, a testing ground, a launch pad for even more ambitious journeys. The skills and technologies we develop for Mars will equip us to venture further into space, to the outer planets and beyond. Mars represents a challenge, an opportunity, and a symbol of what we can achieve when we dare to dream, but it's just the start. The red planet is not our final destination, it's just the beginning. Our own planet's resources are finite, but space holds a promise of infinite possibilities. Imagine a future where we no longer rely solely on Earth's resources, where the vast expanse of space is our new mine, and celestial bodies are our quarries. This is the promise of space resources. Let's start with space mining. It may sound like a concept straight out of science fiction, but it's closer to reality than you might think. Asteroids, these rocky remnants from the early solar system, are rich in valuable metals and minerals. Some are packed with platinum, a precious metal used in many industries here on Earth. Others hold water that, when broken down, can be used as rocket fuel, turning asteroids into interstellar pit stops for long-distance space travel. Then there's our moon, our closest neighbor and a potential treasure trove of resources. Its surface is believed to harbor helium-3, a rare isotope that could be used in future nuclear fusion reactors, providing us with a near-limitless source of clean energy. The technologies to tap into these resources are being developed as we speak. Robotic miners to extract and process raw materials in the harsh conditions of outer space, reusable rockets to ferry these resources back to Earth. These are not distant dreams, but projects being tackled by today's brightest minds. The implications for our economy and sustainability are profound. Space resources could revolutionize industries, drive new technological advancements, and even help us mitigate environmental damage caused by traditional mining. They could also make space exploration self-sustaining, with spacecraft refueling and resupplying at stations in space, reducing the need for costly and resource-intensive launches from Earth. The promise of space resources is not without its challenges and uncertainties. There are technical hurdles to overcome, not to mention ethical and legal questions to answer, but the potential rewards are immense. The wealth of the cosmos is within our reach, a promise of a future where scarcity might become a thing of the past. Are we alone in the universe? This age-old question may soon have an answer. The quest for extraterrestrial life has long captivated our collective curiosity. From the tiniest microbes to the possibility of advanced civilizations, the search is broad and fascinating. It is a journey that takes us from the microscopic to the cosmic, a pursuit that never ceases to astound and inspire. Scientists have been looking for signs of life beyond Earth for decades, and the search has become more refined with each passing year. They're not just looking for little green men, they're seeking evidence of microbial life forms, the simplest organisms which could survive in the harsh conditions of space. The recent discoveries of water on Mars and the potential for life-sustaining conditions on Jupiter's moon, Europa, have given new impetus to our search. The future is bright with possibilities. In the coming years, several missions are slated to delve deeper into the cosmos in search of life. NASA's Mars 2024 mission, for instance, aims to collect soil samples that may harbor signs of past microbial life. The European Space Agency's upcoming JUICE mission, set to launch in the mid-20s, will probe the icy moons of Jupiter, seeking possible subsurface oceans teeming with life. But the search doesn't stop within our solar system. Scientists are also turning their gaze towards exoplanets, those distant worlds orbiting other stars. The upcoming James Webb Space Telescope, dubbed the successor to Hubble, will peer into the atmospheres of these far-off planets, searching for biosignatures, telltale signs of life. However, the quest for extraterrestrial life is not just about finding aliens. It's about understanding our own origins, our place in the universe. It's about asking profound questions and daring to seek the answers. It's about the human spirit, our relentless thirst for knowledge, for exploration, for discovery. The discovery of life beyond Earth could redefine our understanding of our place in the cosmos. Space exploration is not just about new frontiers and resources, it's about the future of humanity itself. As we gaze up at the stars, we are reminded that we are but a small part of a vast and unexplored universe. Our journey so far has been confined to our tiny blue planet, yet our dreams and ambitions reach far beyond our earthly bounds. The vision of making humans a multiplanetary species is not a mere flight of fancy, it's a crucial step towards safeguarding our existence. Just as animals diversify their habitats to avoid extinction, we too must diversify ours. The universe is rife with potential dangers, asteroids, supernovae, and even our own sun's eventual demise. By becoming a spacefaring species, we multiply our chances of survival, yet the journey to the stars is not just about survival. As we have seen throughout history, every leap into the unknown has sparked a surge of innovation. The space race of the mid-20th century, for instance, gave us satellite technology, GPS, and numerous medical advancements. As we push the boundaries of what is possible, we can expect a similar wave of technological breakthroughs that will transform our lives in ways we can't even imagine. More than that, space exploration has the power to unite us. In a world often divided by borders and beliefs, the shared goal of reaching for the stars can foster international cooperation. When we look at the Earth from space, we see no borders, only a single interconnected planet. This perspective can help us overcome our differences and work together for the common good. Finally, our journey into the cosmos expands our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Every new discovery, every distant world we explore adds another piece to the puzzle of existence. Who knows what secrets the universe holds waiting for us to uncover? The future of space exploration is a tale of human spirit and ingenuity, a testament to our insatiable curiosity and our unending quest for knowledge. As we stand on the brink of a new era, we look to the stars with hope and wonder, ready to embrace the future of humanity.